Hello everyone, welcome to Hostrare. In this series tutorial of cPanel, today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress software from your cPanel. Especially if you buy domain hosting from hostrare.com, you can do it very easily from cPanel. Let's see how can you do it. Just log in your cPanel and type in your search box site software, and then you will find this option. Click on site software and click on WordPress. You see install option. Inside the install option you will get the domain list. You have to choose the domain where you want to install your WordPress and then click install. You see it will take 5 to 6 seconds to install. It's done. Let's check is it installed or not. See, it's still working, so we need to reload this page until it gets ready. Click again. Yes, it's ready. So your WordPress installed nicely, and WordPress admin link is your domain name slash wp-admin. Type this wp-admin after your domain name and click enter. You will get the login page. This is your username. You have to save this username and password in a safe place to remember. Just click login. You see your WordPress installed nicely within very short time. Now I'm going to show you how to uninstall this. It's a very simple thing like that. Go to your cPanel, search site software, click on site software, click on WordPress. You see one installed, one site is installed. So click on uninstall tab and select your domain. If you have multiple WordPress sites in your cPanel, you have to choose the exact subdomain where you want to install. As here is only one install, so it's showing one option, and click uninstall, and within then you have to confirm you want to install it. It's done. It's a very simple. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.